Hey everyone, if you've been trying to apply for a loan from Sainsbury's bank, here's something important to know. So Sainsbury's personal loans have officially moved over to NatWest. So instead of going through the old Sainsbury's site, simply head straight to NatWest's personal loans page. So that's exactly what I did. I simply searched for NatWest personal loans, and I then clicked on the official NatWest link. So right on the site, you'll then be able to see a button that says get your free personalized quote. So that's actually where you start. And don't worry, getting a quote won't affect your credit score. So when you click that, it will then explain that NatWest will check if you're eligible and show you what your loan could cost. And you can then decide whether or not you want to go ahead. So before applying, just make sure you meet all the basic conditions. So you're going to have to be over 18 and be a UK resident. And you also have to make sure you haven't been declared bankrupt in the last 6 years. You also have to make sure you haven't applied for another NatWest loan within the last 28 days. And once you're ready, simply scroll down and click Get a Free Quote and apply. From there, you will then be asked whether you have a NatWest account. So in my case, I choose no because I'm not a NatWest customer. Alright, so from here, it then explains that they'll start your quote, and if you go ahead, their partner Metech will then verify your photo ID, but you can also do that later if you don't have your ID ready. And after that, you then have to fill in your personal information, including your name, as it appears on your ID, your date of birth, nationality, mobile number, and email address. And once that's done, the system will then move you through the rest of the application. So things like how much you want to borrow, what it's for, and your financial details. And after submitting, you will then get an instant decision, and if you're approved before 5:45 p.m. on a weekday, the funds could reach your account the same day. So even though you're technically applying through NatWest, it's actually still the same straightforward loan process that Sainsbury's customers were used to. Alright, so that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.